back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be packing for my summer Europe trip. Can't believe it's already here. So today is July 4th and I leave in 6 days and I've yet to pack anything. So in this video I take you through my whole process, everything from outfit inspo, shopping, all of that kind of stuff. I'm going for 3 weeks, to Italy for 2, and then Switzerland for I think 5 days. And while I'm in Italy, I'm going to be doing a summer music festival, which is one I've done for like 6 years now. I'm very excited to be going back. I went last year as well. It was so much fun, but there is so much to prepare for this trip since I'm gone for so long, and also for the program. So a few days ago, I made a packing list and a to-do list. I pretty much just took the one I used last year and then just made some changes. The hardest thing for me to pack is always outfits. It just takes so long. I recently bought some new clothes, some of it which I can definitely bring. So first things first, I'm going to do all of my outfits and see what pieces I can bring and want to bring.
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my...
Okay, I just put my clothes in the laundry, picked out all of the outfits and things I'm gonna bring, but now I'm gonna wait for it to dry so I can start actually packing it in my suitcase. And while I'm doing that, it is time to get to all of my toiletries. I'm gonna bring this. It's my school backpack, really big and great for traveling, honestly. I'm also gonna bring a tote bag and my baguette bag, those two being for when I have to go out and stuff. So in my toiletries, it's mainly just all of my hair and makeup products, and then for music I have to make sure I have all of my music. I'm also gonna check all of my violin stuff to make sure that I have everything in my case, all of the small things to keep my violin maintained in such high heat. And then hopefully by the time I finish that, my clothes will be out of the washer so I can put them in the dryer and then start putting them away after that. Last year when I went to Europe, I also used this pencil case, and it's also the one I used throughout the school year. I still have 3 years in here from like spare change from getting ice cream and stuff. So I will be using that this time for ice cream as well.
And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was trying to play my...
I think this is pretty much all the clothes I'm bringing. It doesn't look like too much, but we do have laundry when we're there, and it's also gonna be really hot, so I don't want to layer. I'm just bringing a bunch of tank tops and really light things. So I'm gonna put this all in here right now.
You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no.
Hi guys, it is now Thursday, July 6th. I leave in 4 days now, I think. The past few days I've just had stuff to do, so I didn't get to finish all my packing. I finished putting all of my outfits into that bag right there, but I forgot that I actually have to bring a change of clothes for the plane and also figure out my airport outfit. So let me do that now, actually. Did you hear that? Also, my knee has been cracking so much recently. Like every time I sit down, my knee will crack. I don't think that's normal. Basically, the plan is on Monday, I'm taking a plane out of LA into Milan, Italy. And then on that same day when I arrive, I'm gonna take the train from Milan to the city that I'm normally in. And that train ride, and just as soon as I'm in Italy, it is so hot. So on the plane, I'm gonna be wearing jeans or maybe leggings and bring a sweatshirt. But as soon as I get to Milan and I'm going to board my train, I need to change into shorts. So I'm gonna pick an outfit that I'm gonna wanna wear. Last year, I also bought these type of tank tops. I forgot where I bought them from, but these are so convenient. They're so nice and thin. So I bought like a pack of 5. So I'm bringing every single color. But yeah, I think that's my plain outfit. And I still have a few miscellaneous things. I have to pack my concert attire, which is just standard black for all of my orchestra and chamber performances. So here we have makeup, brushes, palettes, stuff like that. Here is all of my makeup liquid, girl products, and then toothbrush, stuff like that. So time to pack all of this inside.
You tell me I don't need to upset free from misbehavior. Now I start to realize your grace brings me to
It's a bit later. I finished packing concert attire, toiletries, just all of my last minute stuff. The last thing I can do right now is my jewelry. So I'm currently in front of my closet in the jewelry collection, and I'm gonna pick what I'm gonna bring. So I got this off of Amazon last year. It's just a jewelry holder. Last year, I made the mistake of bringing too many because I forgot that I'm literally going for a music camp where I'm playing violin for like 6 hours every day. I personally don't like wearing necklaces when I'm playing because when I'm holding it, it just feels really uncomfortable to me. So I really am only wearing jewelry like on my off time. I only need to bring like 2 or 3 pieces.
and no end inside. The cycle seems to.
Hi guys, it's a little bit later. I just finished dinner. I'm back in my room now. It's like 7. As I said earlier, I've pretty much finished packing everything that I can right now. Everything else that I need to pack is like last minute things that I can only pack the day before. So I'm pretty much done for now, which is good. Last thing I need to do is head to Walmart really quick. I am looking for a few things, but mainly sandals. Last year I didn't have a pair and it was sort of inconvenient. So a few weeks ago I went to Walmart and I tried looking for some. I found a pair that I liked, but I didn't buy them yet because I wasn't sure if I was gonna find more that I like, but I haven't found any more. So I'm gonna go back to Walmart, see if they still have that pair of sandals, and if they do, then I'm gonna get it or just like find something remotely similar. Succeeded. It's like 8. I just went to Walmart. I did get some shoes, and then while I was at Walmart, my dad was in Trader Joe's, so he got some snacks that we're gonna bring on the plane and just like last minute stuff. Now that I got these, I just need to put these away and also pack my shoes, but I'm probably gonna do that on the last day. I think that concludes everything that I need to pack. I don't think I'm gonna post while I'm on the trip, but I will be posting very active on my Instagram and TikTok. I can't wait to bring you all along, and I will vlog it and post it when I come back. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below spaghetti if you stayed to the end of this. Also make sure you subscribe, click the post notifications, and follow my Instagram and TikTok at uniceliubusiness, and I'll see you guys next time for the travel vlogs. Bye.